अस्सलाम एंड वेलकम टू जोर का जोड़। आई होप आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे और देख रहे होंगे कि हम आज कहां पहुंच गए। दी सेकंड इंटरनेशनल बॉक्सिंग चैंपियनशिप, और कोई ऐसी वैसी चैंपियनशिप नहीं है, वर्ल्ड इवेंट है, बिकॉज पीपल आर कमिंग इन। वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग जो एसोसिएशन है उसकी कोलैबोरेशन के साथ, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली द पंजाब मिनिस्ट्री इज ऑन हैंड। और जाहिर सी बात है, जब लाहौर में कुछ करना है तो पंजाब मिनिस्ट्री की बैकिंग एंड सपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी होती है। सो यस, डिस्कशन के लिए मेरे साथ मेहमान खुसूसी सारे मौजूद हैं, एंड जिनका एफर्ट है इस सारी चीजों के पीछे। सबसे पहले तो जिस तरह मैंने सपोर्ट की बात की, कितना जरूरी होता है सपोर्ट, एंड अगर मैं सपोर्ट की बात करूं, सो विद मी आई हैव द पंजाब मिनिस्टर फॉर स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ, मलिक फैसल अयूब खोखर साहब। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू द शो सर।
थैंक यू सो मच सवेरा, द प्लेजर इज ऑल माइन। बहुत खुशी हुई आपसे मिलके।
वेलकम सर। और जब पाकिस्तान में बॉक्सिंग की बात होती है तो आपके जहन में सबसे पहले टॉप ऑफ द माइंड जो नाम आता है, दैट इज द फैल्कन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, मोहम्मद वसीम। बहुत सारी फतूआत, और वो हमारे साथ आज मौजूद है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम सवेरा।
सो सबसे पहले तो वसीम, आपसे ही मैं एक बात की शुरुआत करूंगी, देन आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस आवर गेस्ट फर्दर। सबसे पहले तो डिफेंडिंग द चैंपियनशिप एंड डिफेंडिंग द टाइटल, एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट?
Very excited and I work for it very hard. बहुत मेहनत की है. I done my very great camp in Liverpool 2 months with my trainer Mr. Danny Vaughan, and we work for this fight very very hard. So I'm very excited. Inshallah on Saturday night I'll be inshallah champion again.
Excitement is at peak, and jab when he talks about training, तो Daniel Vaughan is there, and the coach and the trainer for Wasim is here. Is he well prepared for this contest?
Yeah, he's more than prepared. We've worked tirelessly in Liverpool in the UK. Wasim is in the shape of his life. Come Saturday, 29th of November, you'll see a real top performance by Mohammed Wasim.
Inshallah. And then there's another competitor that we have, and she'd be the part of Team Pakistan. Laura Akram is with us. She's a British Pakistan boxer. Assalamu alaikum, Laura.
Yes, so it's great to be back in Lahore. I was here last year. My heritage is, my father is Pakistani. He's from Multan.
Yeah.
And June, I've not been in Pakistan since, but I represented Pakistan at the World Boxing Challenge, and managed to medal for them and make history and becoming the first woman to medal at World Games. So yeah, it's really great to be here.
I'll definitely be talking about the women's role in the boxing in Pakistan.
So
I would
important.
come further to you, but coming towards you, Chris, you've seen the boxing arenas, different scenarios. You've been managing Wasim right now. Do you see a bigger scope coming here in Pakistan now?
Yes, absolutely. Obviously, managing, promoting, matchmaking globally, I've seen everything from Las Vegas all the way to Macau. I've been everywhere, and I feel like Pakistan is emerging. The event, this event as a whole is absolutely fantastic. The setup is like nothing I've ever seen. The effort put in. I want to thank the government of Pakistan. I want to thank the government of Punjab for all their efforts and their continued efforts. It's like nothing I've ever been a part of in boxing. From a detailed standpoint, it's down to the smallest detail. Everything is done perfectly. Everything is done with precision, care, love, and it's a great reflection on the country. And I believe that this is just the start of professional boxing becoming a mainstay in the mainstream sports in Pakistan, inshallah.
This is just the start, and coming back towards you, because I wanted to talk to you in detail, because what is happening in sports altogether. This event first, and then जब सर हम बात करते हैं कि आगे यूथ के लिए और क्या क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज ये इवेंट आते हैं, इवेंट चले जाते हैं, ग्रास रूट लेवल पे और कितना सब कुछ पाकिस्तान में हम देखने वाले हैं, और पंजाब में पर्टिकुलरली।
देखें, we are sitting in Lahore, we're sitting in Pakistan, and we're talking about an international championship. Who could have thought about this? And I'm more happy. I'm happy about Wasim. Of course, he is our champion. I'm also happy about the women empowerment we're talking about. Look, Laura Akram is here, and there are other competitors over here. Pakistan jaise mulk mein, कभी किसी ने सोचा था कि हम वुमेन बॉक्सिंग भी देख रहे होंगे लाहौर के अंदर? That means कि Pakistan is alhamdulillah changing in a positive way. We are giving our youth, we are giving our women the chance to compete on the international grounds. And this is, we had seen boxing کہ پاکستان ریپرزینٹ کر رہا ہو دوسرے ملکوں میں جا کے, لیکن 15 ملکوں کا پاکستان میں آنا, for all those international boxers to come over here and for the Lahoris to see that.
Yes.
And I must say, this is not just a boxing championship. It's a festival because, you know, anything that happens in Lahore, it becomes a festival.
It becomes a festival.
So it's a festival. There are musical nights over here.
Yeah.
So we love, because sports is not just a competition. Sports is something that brings countries together. It brings religions together.
Yes.
It brings communities together. تو اب میں سوچتا ہوں کہ right now this 4 days will bring many cultures together and they're going to see what Lahore and Pakistan is capable of. And you will be happy
and
to
not
know.
just cultures together, sorry to cut you off, but not just cultures together. There would be so many young children, Wasim, جو آپ کو دیکھ کر, جو ہمارے جو سارے مہمان آئے ہیں ان کو دیکھ کر, they would be inspired کہ there is charm and there is chance other than cricket in Pakistan.
پوری دنیا سے boxers آئے from all over the world, and I just mentioned one boxer which is my hero,
Yeah.
Roy Jones Jr. Also he's here. He's like pound for pound,
Yes.
one of the best boxer ever you've seen. Is the same as like Mike Tyson. So he's very big name in all over the world. So he's here. So I'm really proud what I'm doing for my country, what I'm doing for my people, what I'm doing for my upcoming young generation. So this is my goal, you know. I do my best, and inshallah this boxing will be go inshallah very very in a top.
وسیم, یہ کتنا بڑا ٹرننگ پوائنٹ ہوگا اگر ہم اس ایونٹ کی پرٹیکولرلی بات کرتے ہیں, کتنا بڑا ٹرننگ پوائنٹ ہوگا یہ پاکستان میں فار باکسنگ؟
بہت بڑا ہے ہمارے لیے اور ہماری کنٹری کے لیے. اس ایونٹ کے بارے میں پوری دنیا میں اس ٹائم جو ہے ہلچل مچی ہوئی ہے, اور ون آف دی بیسٹ باکسنگ کے جو لوگ ہیں, ورلڈ باکسنگ ایسوسیشن WBA کے جو مین آفیشلز ہیں وہ ادھر ہیں اس ٹائم. اور باکسنگ پوری دنیا میں سب سے زیادہ کھیلی جانے والی اسپورٹس ہے, تو اس میں ہمیں جو ہے اب دیکھیں پاکستان اس ٹائم ٹاپ پہ ہے. اور اس میں میں شکریہ ادا کرتا ہوں گورنمنٹ آف پاکستان کا, گورنمنٹ آف پنجاب کا, اور اسپیشلی اسپورٹس منسٹر صاحب فیصل صاحب کا میں شکریہ ادا کرتا ہوں کہ یہ اپرچونیٹی ہمیں ملی, اور انشاءاللہ ہم آگے بھی پاکستان کو پوری دنیا میں اسی طرح ریپرزینٹ کریں گے. اور یہ ایک بہت بڑی بات ہے ہمارے لیے اور ہماری کنٹری کے لیے کہ اتنے زیادہ 200 تقریباً لوگ آئے ہیں فارنرز, اور وہ یہاں پہ لاہور میں جو دیکھ رہے ہیں اور کلچر دیکھ رہے ہیں اور ہمارے لوگ دیکھ رہے ہیں, تو بڑے اپریشیٹ کر رہے ہیں اور بہت خوش ہیں اس سے. مطلب
سب سے
بہت زیادہ
امپورٹنٹ ہاسپٹیلٹی دیکھ.
Yes.
Daniel, I've heard you've been here for 7 and 8 times.
Yeah, I've
so
been here
you're
a
like
lot.
almost a Pakistani for us now. You're a local for us.
I think I'm addicted to the Pakistani food.
Are you loving the food?
Yeah, I love the food, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
I've been here so many times now, and every time we come, the welcoming just gets bigger and
You've
better.
learned some Urdu?
Not so much.
تھوڑا
A little bit, yeah. A little bit, yeah.
تھوڑا تو سب سے پہلے سیکھیں.
Yes.
It's the first thing that you need to.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Laura, coming towards you. Looking at the scope of boxing for women here in Pakistan, do you see, because if I talk about Sindh, if I talk about Karachi, I know that there is an area of Liari. There are many female boxers there as well. Even here in Punjab, there are many female boxers that we see coming up. Do you see that it is becoming a favorite sport over the period of time for women as well?
Yes, so you mentioned Karachi. When I was there for the national games, I saw incredible talent, young talent coming through.
Yeah.
And the common theme amongst many of the competitors there is that they're not receiving the funding, they're not getting the backing. So it's difficult for them to be able to rise through into an elite level when they're not getting the funding or the support behind them. So the government or the country needs to get behind this young talent, because you can have young Olympians in the next couple of years, in the next cycle or the cycle after for the Olympics. You could have champions here. So I definitely believe there's definitely some champions in this country, 100%.
Yeah.
May I just add to that the WBA have given me acting on behalf of the WBA have given their endorsement in to provide everything they can do. They do a WBA youth program.
Yes.
They're doing it. It's been very successful in countries such as Venezuela, Panama, Colombia. And they've given myself the honor to announce that in Pakistan, they're going to provide this program, and it'll be headed up by Danny Vaughan and Mohammed Wasim, because who knows more about fighter development than these two? Nobody, in my opinion. So the WBA are really, really committed to getting behind fighter development from youth all the way up to world champions moving forward in Pakistan.
Exactly. और सबसे ज़्यादा important ये बात है कि जो वर्ल्ड बॉडी है, अगर वो जब वर्ल्ड बॉडी इंटरेस्टेड हो जाती है ना किसी एक चीज़ में कि इस मुल्क में इस खेल को फ़रोग़ देना है, और साथ साथ जो है हमारी लोकल गवर्नमेंट उसका हिस्सा बन जाती है, तो मेरा ख्याल से वो हैंड इन हैंड बेस्ट पार्सल हो जाता है कि चीज़ें बदल जाती हैं, तब्दीली.
सवेरा असल बात ये है कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर, पंजाब के अंदर कभी भी टैलेंट की कमी नहीं रही. Pakistan and Punjab is always, alhamdulillah, full of talent.
Yes.
There was, what was missing was opportunity. What was missing was facilities. We worked from the past 2 years for the infrastructure that we have today, and we're making new infrastructures in Punjab right now. We are actually working for the opportunities too. The first Chief Minister Pink Games were held in 2024 when we came into power.
Yes.
Because there was no concept of having Pink Games. Pink Games mean all the games just for the women of Punjab. This was a start. This was a new start because we had opportunities for men. We did not have opportunities for the women. But we had talent. And there are so many sports like basketball, and we had new talent coming up, and we started giving stipends to those players because they did not even have the facilities or the funds to cover their day-to-day expenses. कि उनके पास अपने दिन गुजारने के पैसे भी नहीं थे, उनको stipends देना स्टार्ट किए. अब क्या होगा कि जब अब टीवी के ऊपर 4 दिन अब आप लोरा अकरम को देखेंगे परफॉर्म करते हुए, देखेंगे वसीम को परफॉर्म करते हुए. पाकिस्तान के अंदर खूबसूरत बात क्या है, we are wonderful followers. We need a one champion to represent us. Pakistan follows it.
A leader to lead, and then everyone would follow.
कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि javelin के अंदर हम follow up करेंगे, ठीक है कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल.
तो अब देखें कि अब ये boxing का क्या होगा. You will see. These 4 days Pakistan will be talking about boxing. अब इसके बारे में CM भी और PM भी हमें ज़्यादा फिर support करेंगे, और all the departments over here are supporting boxing right now.
बिल्कुल.
And Punjabis love boxing, one way or the other.
हाँ, वो दूसरे तरीके से हो या boxing हो तो बिल्कुल. मगर वसीम, एक चीज़ जो कि मैं बहुत एक important चीज़ है कि आपने जब शुरुआत की, I know your struggle, I have seen your struggle, I followed your struggle. छोटे खित्तों में, छोटे इलाकों में availability of everything, सारी resources वो easily available नहीं है. बहुत travel करके boxers को main hub में आना पड़ता है, main cities में आना पड़ता है. इसको कैसे change करेंगे? इसको आपकी कितनी contribution होगी? और अब तो मिनिस्टर साहब आपके बराबर बैठे हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये कि पंजाब आपके पास है.
जी बिल्कुल. देखिए, बिल्कुल बॉक्सिंग में मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल किया है, और जिस एरा में मैंने बॉक्सिंग की थी एमेचर, जिसमें मैंने पाकिस्तान को एमेचर बॉक्सिंग में मैंने रिप्रेजेंट किया, जिसमें कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, एशियन गेम्स, वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप में मैंने पाकिस्तान के लिए मेडल जीते. 13 इंटरनेशनल मेडल्स है सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे. पर जिस तरह मैंने ख़ुद स्ट्रगल की है, मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो हमारे यंग जनरेशन इस तरह स्ट्रगल नहीं करे, हम उनके लिए आसानियाँ पैदा करें. तो इसलिए जो वर्ल्ड बॉक्सिंग एसोसिएशन है और जो क्रिस ग्लोवर है, जो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रमोटर और मैनेजर है, तो वो इसी तरह के जिस तरह मुझे इन्होंने सपोर्ट किया पूरी दुनिया में, इसी तरह ये हमारे जो यहाँ की यंगस्टर्स हैं, इनको हम जो है यहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटी दे, फिर यहाँ से हम उनको यूके, अमेरिका हर जगह लेके जाएं और उनको कैंप कराएं और उनके बाद इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनिंग उनको कराएं. और जिस तरह के डैनी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बॉक्सिंग ट्रेनर है, तो ये भी यही चाहता है कि हम जो है एक इस तरह से जो यंगस्टर्स है, जो कैडेट्स हैं, उनके लिए एक बहुत आसान सा एक तरीका बनाएं, जिसमें हम 20-25 जो बच्चे हैं उनको हम यूके में रखें, वहाँ पर उनको कैंप कराएं, वहाँ पे हम उनको पॉलिश करें, ताकि वो फ्यूचर में पाकिस्तान का नाम ओलंपिक में, वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप में جو ہے میڈل لے کے روشن کرے.
بالکل. فیصل صاحب اولمپکس کی بات کی ہے, LA 2028 اب ہونا ہے, کٹ آف میرے خیال سے اگلا ہی سال ہے جس میں ہمیں کٹ آفس ہوں گے. کوئی پلان ایسا جو کہ آپ لوگ, کیونکہ دیکھیں پنجاب از دا بگیسٹ پروونس, اور کوئی ایسا پلان جس میں جو ہے PSB کے ساتھ اور PEO کے ساتھ کولیبریشن میں آپ لوگ کچھ کر رہے ہیں؟
In the last event, last Olympics, Allah Ta'ala gave us opportunity and we had it. Otherwise, our contribution was so less.
Yeah.
And we had, I think, 7 or 9 players competing in the Olympics. This was the highest number, I think. This was a very bad number. I think Punjab should, and being a representative of Punjab government, we are planning to give more athletes, because we are the nursery of the sports. And we can obviously support and give them players, and actually we are working on it.
Ji.
We have started we have made 3 categories and in Punjab stipends with the chief minister gave us,
Yeah.
which means کہ جو اچھا perform کرے گا اس کو 70,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees and 30,000 rupees. What did that add کہ اس کے اندر کہ جو اچھے پرفارمرز ہیں نا ان کو ہم کمپٹیشنز میں ابھی سے کمپیٹ کرنا اسٹارٹ کروا رہے ہیں مختلف اسپورٹس میں. دے پرفارمڈ ویل ان قائد اعظم گیمز, دے پرفارمڈ ویل, دے ول پرفارم ویل ان شاء اللہ تعالیٰ ان دا نیشنل گیمز دیٹ آر کمنگ اپ. وی آر آلسو ہیونگ دا SAF گیمز ان نیکسٹ ایئر از ویل. سو وی آر پریپیئرنگ دا پلیئرز دیٹ ول کمپیٹ ان شاء اللہ تعالیٰ ان دا اولمپکس.
کمپٹیشن کے ساتھ ساتھ I'll come to you. Other than the competition, how important it is for international style of coaching in every aspect of sports? How important is that to match up the international standards of world?
Yes, well, you do need international boxing coaches to come in, with the expertise from different countries, how they do things in different countries, how you work, because there is so much talent here in Pakistan.
Yeah.
I've been looking at the Pakistan amateur scene now for the last 10 years since I've been involved with Mohammed Wasim. Mr. Chris Glover works every day tirelessly. So with the backing of the Pakistan government, the Punjab government, with Falcon Promotions, with the WBA, we would like to make academies and bring the grassroots children through.
I think it's a wonderful idea.
We can do all the coaching. Chris does all the, all the management side of it. Me and Wasim can train coaches to become good coaches.
Okay.
I've worked all around the world. I know that many people, trainers from every part of the world. And this is the platform what we need to get to the
Guys,
top,
let
really.
me tell you, this is the complete team that I have here, which can change the boxing scenario of Pakistan. Laura, coming towards you again. Do you think that if you would have not been because you started off being in France and not here in Pakistan, you're brought up, where have you been brought up?
So it's not in France. It's not in France.
Okay.
So I live in the UK, so
Okay.
London. But yeah.
Yeah.
I that's where
So do you
I originally
think
started.
living in London and then here, you've seen the scenario here. If you
yeah.
wouldn't have been in London and you've been here in Pakistan, do you think the progress would have been very slow for you to
Absolutely.
compete at the world level?
Yeah, absolutely. And I touch back on your point in terms of like the underfunding with the facilities, and even just basic things like nutrition. Because
Yes.
as a boxer, you know, as much as we love eating Asian food, you cannot have that. That cannot be your dietary requirement when
Until
you're
one person
training. So, it's just simple things like that. If we can make those changes, provide
I
them-
think.
He is definitely enjoying the food.
We all do.
The barriers of being all fit and everything.
we all do. But I mean, if we can just start with the small things, the basic things, they all feed into each other and they become grand. So they definitely propel the young talent towards that future or in the right direction. So yeah.
بالکل. وسیم, کھانے کی بات ہو رہی ہے, مطلب کہ ابھی تک چھوڑ دیا آپ نے, آپ کے لیے کتنا مشکل تھا دیسی کھانے چھوڑنا؟ ہمارے یہاں سب سے مشکل ہوتا ہے. اینڈ obviously just the part of Pakistan that you come from, وہاں پہ تو گوشت, سالڈ گوشت اور دمبا اور واٹ ناٹ کھایا جاتا ہے. کیسے چھوڑا یہ سب کچھ؟
آئی تھنک like میں نے 20 years میں نے یہ چھوڑ دیے دیسی جتنے بھی میرے کھانے, بیکاز I'm boxing from long time,
Yes.
been amateurs, and because I need to like I need to look after my weight every time. So I do like proper food, like my trainers know.
Yeah.
I'm not eating anything, like from outside or desi or anyone, but I just I do my own food and with the nutrition and I like, sometimes desi food, but I'm not really loving desi foodie. Yes, yeah. So I'm
but
okay.
are you strict about it on him?
Yes, well, he's very professional in what he does. He
Okay.
actually weighs his food in grams, what he eats every day: fish, chicken, a lot of vegetables, a lot of water. It's he's very precise in what he does, very professional. And all boxers, just going back to what Laura said, it's the same with the women. It's the same
Exactly.
in boxing. Everything, 95% of boxing now is the intake of food, what you eat. It's got to be a strict diet.
And just to finish, from someone who's really enjoyed the food here, as you can see, black is a slimming colour. Thank God for that. But honestly,
What's your favorite dish first?
I like a biryani, like a chicken biryani.
Yeah.
Like I'm proper mad for it. Yeah, I'm absolutely out there, yeah. But one thing I do want to finish on saying, really, that I'm really passionate about is the standard of fights on this card. Just
Yeah.
to jump back to the card, we've got 4 nights of action. We've got world-class fights, and you don't want to see one-sided fights. The problem with boxing now around the world is one-sided fights.
Exactly.
Is no kid is going to watch a fight and go, they're going to get bored. We're here to inspire the next
That would be
generation.
a stale fight.
Yeah, you've got banger. In the UK, we call them bangers. You've got banger after banger after banger. You've got 50-50 action fights. I can't go down this card and say, he's going to definitely win, he's going to definitely win. Mohammed Waseem, inshallah, is definitely going to win. But apart from that, I can't pick winners of fights. And that, when these kids watch these fights, they're going to want to go in a gymnasium, punch someone in the head. And that's what we want. We want these kids to box. And these fights are going to inspire the next generation to want to box. And that's why we brought this style of fighting. We differentiated from the traditional protector fighters. No, if you're a real fighter, you fight. This country fights and these fighters fight. Thanks very much.
बिल्कुल, and this competitiveness is very important. और वो competitiveness जब ही आएगी जब competition within self, ये तो international हमारे boxers आ ही रहे हैं, but within itself पाकिस्तान में जब talent भरेगा तभी वो competitiveness आएगी हमारे national level पे भी. So any last words from you, and what should we expect further from the Government of Punjab, from the Minister of Sports and Youth?
Daniel was talking about coaching.
Yeah.
I think Punjab doesn't need anything at all, the resources, the talent. What Punjab must need, I'm going to tell it in front of the TV, that we might need your support in the coaches.
Yes.
Because we have coaches, but the coaches need coaching as well now. Because obviously the talent you guys have, Pakistan is far behind. We have to agree on that. That's why when Laura said that, obviously she grew up in UK, she had those coaching. I still remember, I did not tell anybody, I was in Toronto and I had a few lessons of boxing too.
Okay.
And
we need to see a bout with him.
No,
Yes,
I cannot.
We need to see one.
No.
Yes.
I don't want to get the punched on my face, but the thing is that when I saw that difference, I went for 2 weeks maybe, and I had to come back. And in 2 weeks, I learned the very few steps. And the way of teaching, the way of coaching is so different. And the way of coaching over here is very different.
Yeah.
And I do not blame them. मेरे ख्याल में कि अब मुझे रियलाइज हो रहा है कि अब जिससे हम काम कर भी रहे हैं, एंड द चीफ मिनिस्टर इज वेरी कीन अबाउट इट कि उन्होंने तो बल्कि कहा था कि हम कोचेस को यहाँ बुलाएंगे, एंड गेस व्हाट, द कोचेस आर हियर देमसेल्व्स. सो आई थिंक विद द WBA and with the Falcons we can actually have the support of them for the coaches. We can plan a lot of things, and inshallah ta'ala Pakistan will have many more Waseems inshallah.
बिल्कुल जी, many more Waseems. ये एक बहुत important चीज़ है that we have an idol here for boxing. और जिस तरह Falcon Sporting के साथ Waseem, you're doing this job. अच्छे दिन आते हुए दिख रहे हैं कि बॉक्सिंग में भी we'd be having many names in the international scenario. But thank you guys, thanks a lot. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग सबका for being here. Hope you can defend your title. अपने ही घर बुला के आपने जो है ना दूसरों को फंसा देना है. But yes, congratulations. Advance में दे रही हूँ आपको अभी से congratulations, because इतना trust है that you will defend your title.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
And with that, I hope you've enjoyed this show. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Savera Pasha signing off. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.